Derrick Threat, Executive Editor for RC HeliResource. Today here with the new Gaui 500X, a quad flyer by Gaui. Actually their second one in a series of multi-rotor helicopters. Their first helicopter being the 330X, now the 500X. Great helicopter, small, versatile. You can even use it for AP and video applications. This one they sent this to us, and we're gonna basically just give you guys a small overview. And for those of you who don't know what a multi-rotor is, it's basically unlike our single rotor helicopters, it's one that has multiple rotors. They come in a 3, 4, 6, and 8 blade configuration. The 330 and the 500 actually have 4 blades. They're very stable, very small, some even acrobatic. This one runs on a 2S LiPo battery that isn't supplied. Comes with its own gyro. I added my own receiver here, and that's basically it. This kit retails for $529. If you have the 330, you can upgrade to the 500 for $129, and that's basically it. You got the your gyro that comes with it. You can use a regular radio in the airplane mode, and you know, you get about, I would say, 8 to 10 minutes flying time on a 2200 milliamp battery. And we're gonna take it up here and do a little flying and see what you guys think for yourself. The Gaui 500X.